Hey, good morning, everybody. This is David with Selman Home Inspections. I did a home inspection on a brand new construction home this week, and wanted to point out a couple of things I found when I was inspecting the plumbing systems in the house. We're just going to go over just a couple of the issues here in this new construction home. Can't tell you how important it is to get your new construction home inspected. The first thing here, the water supply system, just the water meter housing was full of water. A lot of water and debris and some other trash that was in there. It just means that we can't evaluate. We need to be able to see and read, and not read it, but see the dials on the meters so that we can look with water off in the house and make sure that there aren't any leaks. We really can't inspect it very well when that meter housing is full of water. This is really the most important one I found in this house as far as plumbing issues go. This was in the garage above the, there's a tankless water heater right here behind my hand. And as you can see through our thermal imaging camera, there is a really large wet spot in that ceiling. I found that because when we're suspicious of something, we'll use this thermal imaging camera to verify what we think we see. And it will really pinpoint where a problem is going on. So here we just, again, a brand new construction home. No one would have probably found this without having an inspection. So very important. Most of the rest of the plumbing sections in the house were in pretty good shape. I did find one bar sink in the media area or media room that didn't have any water fixture. I mean, they didn't cut the hole in the countertop there for the water fixture to be installed. Everything else was in pretty good shape. No real issues there. So for me on this one, I think the biggest find there on this brand new home was the water leak in the garage ceiling. So I'm David with Selman Home Inspections. I hope you will visit our website at selmanhomeinspections.com, and be sure and check out our YouTube channel and visit us on Facebook. Thanks, and have a great day.